In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create jump lines in PowerPoint for your flow diagram. Jump lines are a fantastic way to visually connect elements in your presentation, and adding them can really enhance the clarity of your diagrams. Let's begin by opening PowerPoint on your computer. Once you have PowerPoint running, navigate to the specific presentation you want to enhance with jump lines. Take a moment to think about where you want these lines to appear in your flow diagram. Visualize the connections you want to highlight, as this will help you during the process. Now head over to the Insert tab, which is located at the top of your PowerPoint window. Once you're there, click Shapes to open the Shapes menu. You'll find a variety of options to choose from. For our jump lines, we're going to start by adding two line shapes to your slide. Simply click and drag to draw these lines. As you're drawing the lines, press and hold the Shift key. This is an important tip. By holding down the Shift key, you ensure that your lines remain perfectly straight. This simple trick can dramatically improve the visual neatness of your diagram. Once your lines are in place, return to the Shape menu. This time select an arc shape. You'll follow a similar technique as before, holding the Shift key while drawing to keep your arc uniform and proportional. After the arc is added to your slide, you'll notice yellow dots along the arc. These are adjustment handles. Click and drag these dots to perfect the curvature of your arc. Don't be afraid to spend a bit of time here. Getting the curvature just right can make a big difference in the final appearance. Now is the time to resize and rotate the arc so that it fits seamlessly into your diagram. Imagine it as a bridge between the two previously drawn lines. Your goal here is to connect the arc's ends to the lines, creating a visual jump over the space between them. Once you're satisfied with the placement and orientation, it's time to group these shapes together. Press Ctrl+A to select all the shapes on your slide, then right click on your selection. You'll see an option labeled Group in the drop down. Click this to combine the shapes into a single connector. Grouping these elements ensures that they move and resize together as one unit. That means if you need to adjust your flow diagram at any point, your beautifully crafted jump lines will stay aligned and intact. By following these steps, you've now successfully created jump lines that can help guide your audience's eyes through your flow diagram with ease. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has empowered you to create more dynamic and effective presentations. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful PowerPoint tips.